Hi, it's Yes, I'm from Excel Electricians. In this video today I will show you how easy and quick to stop a burglar alarm from going off. If you've got a burglar alarm going off, right there, someone already tried to take this off, made it worse. That's how easy you can silence the burglar alarm. As you can see, this cable here goes to the siren, which is the microphone. You just have to find out where the sound is coming from and just cut the cable for the speaker until you get a specialist to be able to reconnect it again. That's how easy and quick you can do it. Just disconnect the cable for the speaker. Thanks guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.